Hi, my name is Matt Maloney. I'm of counsel here at Jessica & Moyce, and I handle medical malpractice claims. A typical medical malpractice claims involves a client asking me to investigate something horrible, usually that has happened to either that person or a loved one. Most commonly, a case that I'm handling would involve a death or a life-altering injury. Medical malpractice cases are simply too complicated and expensive to bring. At the end of the day, the injury is not serious and permanent. I've been practicing for 33 years. The thing that I enjoy most about medical malpractice, I guess there are two areas that I would point to. One is I love learning the medicine well enough to speak with the defense medical experts at deposition or at trial. I can point out that if they are trying to bend the truth or exaggerate their side of the case, I need to be able to recognize that and counter it. Not that I know the case as well as they do, because I'm not a doctor, but I need to become as well educated in the area of medicine as I can, and I enjoy that. The second area, the most important, and the reason I handle these types of cases, my clients either have lost a loved one or their life has changed permanently. And the case doesn't end when we get a settlement, and usually these cases do settle. I stay involved in their lives, they stay involved with me. For example, I have one client who was severely injured in a medical malpractice matter, and he won sufficient money for him to be able to move back to his home country in Central America. He gets a deposit to his bank account on the 15th of every month, and he calls me, and this has been going on for a decade. He calls me every month to say, the money has arrived, thank you, Mr. Maloney. I can pay for my medicine, I can pay for my food. The person I've represented usually for years has become a friend, and I want to stay in touch with them, and it's a very rewarding experience to get a phone call from someone that I've represented to say, hey, thank you, the annuity that you obtained for me has come in this month, and I've paid my mortgage or I've done whatever I need to do, and you made a big difference in my life.